Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? So guys, today I'm here to solve your major problem, which is acne marks. I know you guys have requested for this video, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this acne problem. So acne usually appears and it takes a lot of time to go off, and once it's gone it leaves you with this crazy acne marks. So I had a lot of acne marks, but it's gone now. The best thing to apply on your acne marks is turmeric. So turmeric, what it does, it gets rid of all the bacteria, and then you apply aloe vera gel. This will calm your skin. So I'm going to show you how to make this face pack. So let's start now. So guys, the first thing you'll need is turmeric. And the second thing you'll need is aloe vera gel. So guys, I'm going to mix these two ingredients. So you just need about half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then you add aloe vera gel. You could use fresh aloe vera gel as well. I'm going to just add this. Now mix it really well. So about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel is good enough. And you can also add sandalwood powder to this. That's optional. So guys, my face pack is ready. I'm just going to apply it on my face now. So you can apply it only on your acne marks, or if you wanted, you can apply it all over your face. So guys, I've applied the face pack. You will only need to leave this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Don't leave it more than that, because there's turmeric in this. Your face will become yellowish. So just wait for about 5 to 7 minutes and then you rinse it off. So guys, I washed my face now, and this is really good. You should apply this 2 to 3 times in a week. Aloe vera and turmeric is really good for your skin. And guys, if you have any more questions, any more doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And for more DIYs, for more makeup looks, and for skincare, keep watching Foxy and do subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So it's monsoon season now and summer just got over. We were always looking for a waterproof makeup. I know during summer it's so sweaty and your makeup washes off, and during monsoon, because it is pouring outside, your makeup will eventually go off. So today I'm going to share a few waterproof makeup tips with you. So guys, the first thing is foundation. That is which comes off really easily. So what you need to do is stop applying your heavy thick foundation, and you can move to BB creams. So BB creams are tinted moisturizers which will really absorb into your skin, and it will not fade off. It won't wash off so easily. So instead of applying foundation, go for BB creams. And the second tip is apply primer. So primer will make sure that your makeup is in place and it won't go off really easily. So primer is really important if you're looking for waterproof makeup. And the third tip is, even if you're using a liner, see it's waterproof. You can either go for a gel liner, which is good. It won't wash off that easily and it won't smudge also. So gel liner or waterproof liners are really good. And the fourth tip is, after you apply your BB cream, make sure that you apply powder to it. It won't really make your makeup wash off that easily, but it will also make your makeup stay in place. So that's more important. And my last tip is skip powder blushes. You can use tinted blushes, which is really good. There are a lot of companies which have started, like Body Shop, Maybelline. So it's like a tinted blush. You just apply it onto your skin and dab. So it will absorb into your skin won't really wash off. Even if you're sweating or if you're out in the rain, it will stay. So these were a few tips on how you can use these tips for waterproof makeup, and your makeup will stay in place. So go try it and let me know if you have any more doubts in the comment section below. And if you have any more products that I should try, which is really good, which is waterproof, do let me know. And for more DIYs, makeup tips, follow Foxy, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing really well. So today I'm going to talk about a really important topic, which is oiling your belly button. Guys, did you know oiling your belly button has so many benefits? I know it sounds crazy, but it's actually true. So the first benefit is it will clear your belly button. There won't be any dirt. I know we don't really concentrate on our belly button. We're like, it's just there, Nobody really thinks about it. But you know what? If you put a little bit of coconut oil, it will help your belly button clean. It will be really clean. The second one is if you have stomach pain, this is like my Dadi Ma's nuske. Just apply castor oil onto your belly button and leave it, and just lie down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Your belly pain, your stomach pain will actually go. And the third one is if you have any menstrual pain, this is really good too. So you can apply castor oil or a parachute oil onto your belly button. And did you know applying coconut oil is really good for your vision? It's not only for your head and your body, you can also apply it on your belly button. Let it stay for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will improve your vision, and it will also help in your skin. It will really make your skin shine. And the last one is, guys, if you have joint pain, or even if your parents, your grandparents, if they have joint pain, you can tell them this. Apply some oil or castor oil or coconut oil onto your belly button. There won't be any joint pains. So guys, these were a few tips on how you can take care of your health and your body. Apply oil on your belly button and see the difference, and let me know in the comment section below if this really helped you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And I'm also on Instagram, go follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official, and I will see you later, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. Do not freak out. You must be thinking, why is she wearing this and why is her face looking weird? Guys, I was just about to get ready. It's my friend Sangeet, and I just put my base, and then I was like, why don't I shoot a video for you guys? So my base is done, and I'm going to start with my eyes, and then my brows and the whole makeup. So without wasting any time, because I have to be there by 8 p.m, let's get started. So guys, as I told you, I'm done with my foundation, like my base. I've put my primer, I've applied my foundation. Now I'm going to start with my eyes, and for that I'll be using this eyeshadow palette by Eleanor. So there are two shades in this, the dark green and the light green. As I'm wearing green and pink, I wanted to do the same thing on my eyes. So I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush. I'm going to start with the darker color, the dark green. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I've added more color on my crease, if you can see. Just dab it in. So once I've done that, I'm going to be taking the lighter shade. I'm just going to use my fingertip. I'm going to apply it on the inner corners of my eye. So right here. So if you can see, it will give you that instant brightness. So I just want it on the inner corners of my eyes. eyeshadow is done now. Now I'll be applying my kajal. So I'll be taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal. I'm going to apply it on my eyelid. So I don't want like a perfect liner. I'm going to smudge this. So now I'm just going to smudge it. So it'll give you like a more smoky, a smudged look. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So once you've done that, take the same eyeshadow, this one, and apply it again on your eyelids because you want your eyes to, get that shine. So I'm going to apply it again, only on the inner corner. And I'm going to take the same shade and I'm going to apply it on the lower line. I'm just going to take the same thing. Once that's done, let's apply some mascara, and the mascara I'll be using today is by Lakme Absolute. So guys, once that's done, let's move on to my brows, and for that I'll be using my favorite Benefit Browsing. So done with my brows now. I'm just going to apply some blush and then a highlighter. So the blush that I'll be using is from NARS. And this is the shade which I'll be using. It also has a little bit of like shimmer to it, so which is really nice, which will complement my outfit. So once I'm done that, moving on to the highlighter. So I'll be using the same eyeshadow, which is this one, very little. I'll just highlight this part. And now for lipstick, I'll be using this pink shade, which is by Miss Claire. and it's called 05, the number 05. And now I'm gonna set this full makeup with Urban Decay All Nighter. So this is done. I'm gonna do some finishing touches, just wear my jewelry and put on some bindi and show you my entire look now. So guys, this is my complete look. I hope you guys liked it, and you know, it's simple, it's elegant, and you know, I'm gonna have a blast in my friend Sangeet. And comment below and let me know if you like this look, and also if you are gonna try it. And I'm on Instagram, go follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official, and for Foxy, it's Foxy Makeup Tips. And I will see you soon, guys. All set to dance. Bye.